Body nice. See, I got them girl, them a movie nice. See the girl, them a got me hypnotized.
Welcome back to my channel. So as you can hear, probably there's a lot of noise happening around me and I don't want my audio to be like terrible for this video, so I'm just going to switch over to a voiceover. I just thought I'd come in with this look on that I've just completed and I'm completely obsessed with. So yeah, I'm really proud of my progress throughout this 1 year of like being in makeup and playing in makeup and doing makeup, because if you compare this look to my last year's ultimate Christmas look, like last year was a hot mess. This look is so much better and I'm sure next year will be even better, but I'm not going to ramble on too much. I am testing a new shade of the Maybelline Superstay foundation and I don't want to have to like reshoot everything tomorrow, so I'm just going to save the footage, do a voiceover. I'm practically screaming into my mic. I hope you can actually hear me. I kind of wanted to walk you like step by step as I did the ultimate Christmas look, because I am loving how this turned out and everything that I've used is very long wearing, very locally accessible and like affordable and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe down below, let me know what you're up to for Christmas, because I'm spending it with my grandparents, which is why I'm pre-recording, which is why I can't just scrap this video and like shoot it another day because I don't have enough days. But yes, Merry Christmas to you and your family. I probably will post this before Christmas, but I'm still gonna wish you Happy New Year even in this video, because this is the ultimate Christmas look, like a take on the red lip without actually going red. Like this is more berry, it's not even red, it's fine, like the red and green Christmas theme but with like a twist. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you're recreating this for Christmas, that would be amazing. I don't do my last video of the year, but I just wanted to say thank you so much. Looking back on like my 2017 videos, it's we've been through a lot, we've come from very far, and I appreciate every single one of you. So I'm just gonna end this here because this noise is driving me crazy. But yes, thank you, Merry Christmas, happy pre-New Year, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so this will be the shortest voiceover ever. I started off with no makeup, as you can see, and then I did use a tattoo brow gel thing, because I do like to use this at the beginning of my makeup application process, so that as I'm doing the rest of my face and like getting glam, it's getting enough time to like really work on my brows, and then when I take them off at the end of my makeup routine, I have long lasting brows for at least 24 hours. Then I went in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is in the shade 66, I believe it is, but you saw my horror because I actually forgot to use primer, which I meant to use in this video, and I forgot because I never use it. So I actually went in with it in the sparse areas on my face where I don't have foundation on, and it worked pretty well. So this is a hack for y'all. If you're like halfway through a makeup step and then you remember that you forgot to do something, you can just like improvise, adapt, change, etc. And I didn't blend it in all the way, so that as I was blending the foundation in, it would like sort of move around and mix in with the primer, and then like basically have primer all over my face. And as you can see, I am blending the Superstay in the shade 66 because I have been using the shade 70, and I thought it was my perfect shade because it does oxidize down into my skin tone, but this is actually a much better match for me. And what half my face had gotten dry, like the side that I hadn't blended out had gotten dry, which is why I sprayed it down with setting spray just to moisten it up a bit and make it easier to move around. Now I'm going in with concealer because my makeup looks are never complete without concealer, but I'm not going in with one of the lightest shades just because the foundation itself is a really good match to my body, so I don't want to go too light with the concealer and then have everything looking a bit ashy. Now just setting all of that with powder, and I've learned that if I take the tiniest amount of powder on a brush, and you can see I'm just barely dusting it onto the rest of my face, it actually doesn't dry me out too badly, so I really like that technique. And then I'm using a darker powder as sort of a bronzy contour situation, and then I'm going in with my highlight, and you can see how my cheeks are popping. You can see such a clear difference between the side that has highlighter versus the side that doesn't. And then this is a point in my makeup routine where I spray my face down with setting spray because I want everything to be sinking in and melting as I'm continuing to do my makeup. Now the eyeshadow, I did want to do something a bit dramatic, but I only wanted to use the colors in this palette. So I went in with some darker shades, with the green, with the purple in the crease, and really tried to just blend everything in together, and then like the pop of gold in the center to make it a really dramatic look, because I mean, even at Christmas time I'm still bringing the drama. So you know, it's just who I am. I did do a halo eye because I felt like that would show off the colors a bit better. And yeah, you can just see the process of the application. Pretty self-explanatory. I did use my finger for the shimmer just because I wanted like super banging payoff, and then I went in with a brush and really curved out that false cut crease that I wanted to create. But I do like that I didn't have to use concealer underneath this shade to like give it this much oomph and pigment. I'm just touching up whatever parts of the shadow need to be touched up, adding a bit of darkness, really defining that halo eye. And then I throw on some lashes as usual, and then we move on. So before my lashes, I do like to use like a light coat of mascara, which is why I haven't really emphasized it in this video. But mascara and kajal, it just makes lash application so much easier. And now I'm taking off the brow thingy, the brow, whatever is left over on the brows, because at this point my brows are like ready, and then I just fill in any sparse areas, and then I'm good to go. So here you can see I'm actually playing with the Maybelline filter. They do have a filter on Facebook where you can actually like sort of live test the Superstay Matte Ink Lippies with whatever makeup look you're wearing, or if you're not wearing any makeup and you just want to see how they're going to look on you, this is what that filter is for. And as you can see, it's super easy to get to. You just log on to Facebook, go into the stories option and pretend you're creating a story, and then you swipe through the effects, like the filters, and then you'll find what you're looking for. So here I'm just demonstrating to you like the different shades that are available. I did use my back camera just to show you that you can actually use a back camera, but I also realized that if you're like me and like your screen is broken, so your front camera is just completely useless, then you can actually like use your back camera and point it in a mirror, and whatever reflection is in the mirror will still get the Maybelline lippy effect. And I was pretty happy with it because it did actually help me figure out what color, like what lip would work for this look without me having to like put them on, take them off, put them on, take them off, because when you're doing that, anyone that does that knows that you rub off half the foundation around your mouth area, and I didn't want to go through that drama. So after looking at every single shade in the collection, I did end up going for this one. This is number 50. And yeah, that's the entire look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.